Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can switch iPhone themes using the focus mode on your iPhone. So drag the control center to the right side of your screen, select focus mode, and select whichever one you want here. I'm just going to select new focus. It's going to bring me here and just select any or select custom. Name your focus anything, then press next. Press customize focus, and then here you are going to customize the screens. So I'm going to choose a wallpaper. Done. You can also use one for the background. And so when you choose that focus mode, it's going to change the wallpaper as well. And that's how you can switch iPhone themes using focus mode. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.